So how are you?
I'm good, fit as fiddle. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also good.
All right. Nice. So, where are you calling me from?
Okay, I'm from Bangladesh. So maybe are you from India?
Yeah, I'm from India, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, Uttar Pradesh. So can you tell me something about yourself, as I know something about you?
Yes. So, I am Ritu Pathak and I'm calling you from India, Uttar Pradesh. And the city where I live in is Agra. Maybe you have heard about it, the Taj Mahal. So, I live in the city of the Taj Mahal. And
Oh my.
it's a very beautiful city, right? So, this is all about me. And I want you also to introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Aminul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student. I'm doing graduation on political science. So this is all about me.
All right. So, Aminul, I just want to ask, very curious to know that why are you so passionate about this language?
Okay, actually, there are two reasons about passionate this language. My first reason is in future I want to be freelancer, and in freelancing English is very important. And the second reason is I want to travel all over the world. So this is the
Mhm.
actual reason by. So what
Correct.
about you? What you?
Yeah, I am an English mentor, communicator, and public speaker, and I am very passionate about this language. I love to connect with people who love this language just like me. So that's all about me. I also conduct a lot of classes back to back. I teach students not from only India but also abroad. So yes, and I love this language a lot.
Okay, you are teaching on online.
Yeah, I conduct classes online. Right.
Okay, so I can say you have do you have YouTube channel?
Yeah, I also run a YouTube channel by the name of Ritu Pathak English Classes. And Aminul, I am a newbie on this. I didn't know much about it, but one day I just stumbled upon, many YouTubers who are teaching this language as a conversational language. So, yes, I wanted to give it a shot. That's why I'm here.
Okay, I got it. So as you said, you're from Uttar Pradesh, and I have a dream in future. If I get opportunity, obviously I will visit Taj Mahal.
Right. Come over here. You're most invited to India, most invited to Agra. It's a beautiful place, and the Taj Mahal itself is one of the seven wonders. I hope you must be knowing about it.
Okay, so how far Taj Mahal from your house?
It's pretty far, but I can say that I am one of the luckiest people on this universe because whenever I have to attend any marriage party, then Taj Mahal is on my way. So yeah, I can see Taj Mahal by just passing through it. So yes,
Okay,
yeah,
so I can
lucky
say
about it.
you. Okay, I can see visited Taj Mahal many times, so many times.
How many times? No, 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 not like that. People are very fond of whenever they come to know that okay, I'm calling from Agra. They ask me the same question. They're very curious. So the last time that I remember, I visited the Taj Mahal 3 years back. Yeah, it has been 3 years because nowadays it has become too much, hectic to visit the Taj Mahal. It's very crowdy, and I don't want to be a part of crowd, so that is why I avoid going there.
Okay, I got it. So have you ever been to Bangladesh?
No, no, no. One day it is also my dream, just as it's your dream to visit the Taj Mahal. My dream also to visit different, countries, and Bangladesh is also in my wish list. I can see that. So tell me
Okay,
something
so
about Bangladesh. What is the specialty of Bangladesh, and what is the traditional food? Tell me something about its culture and art.
okay, if I talk about traditional food in my country, actually, have you heard Poila Bishak?
Not much, but I know only one word, pantobhat. Am I right?
Yeah, you are right. Actually, in Poila Bishak, in the morning time, we eat pantabat with ilish. This is our tradition in this function.
Oh,
So
great.
if I Yeah, if I talk about places in Bangladesh, there are lots of places, famous places. If you come, you will really enjoy.
Then I'll give you a call and you can guide me, right?
Obviously, why not?
Okay. And what are the festivals mainly observed in Bangladesh? What are the main festivals over there?
So, festival or vegetables? I don't get.
Festivals.
Festival.
Yeah. Your video is stuck.
Also now, Rama, can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, yeah, it's okay now.
Okay. Now the Ramadan month is going on in our country. So as I'm a Muslim, we have a two festival. One is Eid Fitr and number two is Eid Adha. This is our Muslim festival, and also for Hindu, they have a lots of festival, and for Buddhists, they also have festival, and for Christian, they also have festival. So
Beautiful. So
whatever,
it's
yeah,
a, you can say it's a
tell me
beautiful
about,
merge of art and culture, right? There are many
yeah.
festivals and it's so colorful. Wow. That's so glad to
So
hear that and it's good to know.
tell me about you.
About India.
Yeah, about India.
Yeah, India is a land of diversity. We also have the same concept as you just told me about Bangladesh. We also enjoy a lot of festivals. We live with the unity, and there is a kind of emotional connection among people. So yeah, visit India, you will love it. And we have so many pieces of artwork. If you visit to Rajasthan, you will be able to see so many palaces, forts, and yeah, it's a beautiful state. Then if you visit to South India, it's again a beauty. It has, I mean, yeah, north, south, east, west, right? India is the best. So I have been hearing this from my, grandmother, especially. So I also remember this saying from her. So yes, if you visit India, you will feel a kind of, energy, vibrant, bright, something that kind of emotions that flow among each and every person here. And Delhi is, Delhi. Have you heard about Delhi? Delhi, Lucknow. Yeah, they are very
Delhi.
busy. Yeah, busy cities, very busy. Lucknow is known as the city of the Nawabs. It is, yeah, whenever you come to India, visit Lucknow, Delhi, and many places are there in South also, like Kerala, beautiful, Pondicherry, and Mumbai. Mumbai is in, West. And if you come to East India, you can visit to Assam. I mean, each and you just name it. Each and every place has its own beauty and culture. Amazing. So,
Okay.
Aminul, I hope that you love this session a lot. Yes,
Yes, why not?
and enjoy the session. So, can we wind up this session right here? Because I need to go in my class now. That is why. That's a problem with me.
Okay, okay,
Right.
no problem, no. Next time
But
we'll make
I hope,
conversation.
yeah,
When
yes,
get time.
very soon. But Aminul, I think that we enjoyed this session. Right? We have discussed
Yes.
a lot of topics. Right? So, bye bye, Aminul. Looking forward to connecting with you very, very soon.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am. Have a